In order to create your own washing machine connector for your pull-down faucet, here are a list of items that you're going to need. You're going to need a quick release adapter. Now, this is one part of it. And this is going to be used to connect and disconnect from the washing machine hose. You're also going to need a washing machine hose. You're going to need plumber's tape. You're going to need 2 hose clamps. You're going to need a pull-down faucet replacement kit that contains adapters. You're going to need the 19mm or 3/4 inch hose.